Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Yeah, this is the second entry for my birthday giveaway challenge, and it is from Debbie, how to pronounce Nora or whatever. Sorry for my wrong pronunciation, Debbie. Thank you so much for your entry, and yeah, taking your time to participate in this to this challenge. So yeah, and Debbie, she already posted her camera on her channel. I will put the link below the description box. So yeah, please feel free to stop by and check her out. And she made a very how to say unique. It's a steampunk theme, and I love the way how she make the camera in the let me to show you so you know what I'm talking about. Let me to cut this. Yeah, this package arrived today, and yes, let me do. Okay, put this paper away. Sorry. So yeah, this is very oh, she write me a card. Happy birthday. Okay, this is she made me a little card and say, here's my entry to your birthday challenge. Hope you like what I made, and I hope you have a great turnout. Thank you so much, Debbie. I will love it. So yes, this, let me just show you the camera. Oh, okay. Let me take away the bubble wrap and look at it. Oh, this is different. Yeah, in person the color is different. Cause yeah, I saw Debbie, she show this in her channel. It's like a brown color, but no, this like I cannot tell you what color it is. You can you see it? Like not silver. I don't know how to mention the color. Yeah, but the color is different from what I seen. Yeah, from her YouTube channel. But yeah, I love it. And she you can see the texture. Not texture. Yeah, she how to call this? Oh my goodness, I forget how to say this. You can see the pattern here. Not embossing. How to say? Sorry. Yeah, I cannot. The words is yeah, cannot come up from my mind. And this, she make this. She glue this. Yeah, this knot cannot remove. Yeah, for my tutorial, this you removable, but this one she stick this together, and you can see the pictures, the steampunk, and this is the light bulb. And this is so cute. And okay, yeah, this, and she's the back here, and but this, I'm not sure where this came out. Maybe yeah, she want to block this, and she has the card and the this is like a folder, envelope folder. She make this like it's a pocket. Yeah, the pocket. This one, I think this tag is put in. No, yeah, just a tag and the card. It cannot open. Yeah, just an envelope. Hopefully I'm not run out from the camera again. Out of frame. I always out of frame because I really enjoy to see it. So yeah, this is the theme, and I will add it into my camera collection. Thank you so much, Debbie, and I love the way how you create this one. It's, I can see this one is Then you can see the is it called embossing or what? Oh my goodness, I forget the words. Okay, but yeah, the color is, you can see the shining. Yeah, thank you so much, Debbie, yeah, for your taking your time to entry this participated in this challenge, and best of luck to you. And thanks again for everyone. Yeah, the deadline I will extend. I will post another video to announce. I will extend the deadline until December, I think. Yeah, because some of the entry that will send from other country, because taking, yeah, you have to take the time a bit longer than because some of the Debbie sent this to me by when she sent me, this is last week or last 2 weeks. So yeah, today, but yeah, 2 weeks or 3 weeks to arrive to Malaysia. So yeah, so I will extend the deadline. So yeah, who still interested to participate in this, so you still have the chance and the time to join into this challenge. So yeah, just take your time and create your own camera, and look at this one. Okay, and thank you so much, Debbie, again. Yeah, and bye bye. And I will put the link below the description box, and so yeah, you have to check out to her channel, and yeah, and she will show you how she the details, and tell you the details how to she make this. Okay, and yeah, thanks again for everyone, and bye bye.